What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send Google Drive attachments in your Gmail. So let's say you want to create an email here guys, and all you have to do is simply compose email and fill in who you want to send the email to, the subject, and write your email content. Right now, what you want to do in order to send any Google Drive attachments, you want to click on the Google Drive icon at the bottom of the new email window here. So here you can find it says insert file using Drive. So if you click on that guys, this will open up your My Drive, right? So you'll see the first tab here that you will be able to find all the files here under your drive. You can also see file that is shared with you. You can find the recent files, and you also will be able to see the files that you uploaded. So if you click on this button here that says select from your device, you are able to upload files from your computer directly into your drive, right? Very easy and very simple. Now on the My Drive, you'll be able to see the folders as well, and you are able to see files. You can always go ahead and search for files, or if you click on the drop down here, you'll be able to see the different type of files that you can search for. So you're able to see all type of files, folders, documents, spreadsheet, presentation, PDF, images, and videos. So you can choose between whichever type of file you're looking for, and you'll be able to see those kind of files as well. Here you have the list view, so you can click on that to see a different view of how you want those files to be viewed, so it's easier for you to search for those files. So very easy and very simple. You can also play around with the sorting so that you can look for the type of file that you're looking for. So easy stuff guys. So let's say I'm looking for this CV here, the resume. So I can simply click on it. Now once I select the file that I want, all I have to do is just simply click on insert, and this will insert that file from my Google Drive into my email. So here you can see the file guys, and if you want to, let's say, position where you want it to be, you can either click above it and click on enter and it will go down, or you can simply click underneath it and you can write. It's up to you, right? Or you can click above it and click backspace and it will go up. But what I'd recommend, you need to find where in the email you want to put it, and just position your cursor before your insert, and that will allow you to insert in the right part of the email that you want. And that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.